Anticipated 30% efficiency improvement across defense intelligence and national security sectors by 2025, a competitive analysis. Summary. The defense intelligence and national security sectors are poised to experience a significant efficiency improvement of approximately 30% by 2025. This forecast is bolstered by the integration of advanced technologies, increased defense spending, and strategic operational modifications. Insights drawn from various sources, including a recent video presentation and a comprehensive report by Deloitte, underscore the critical developments that will shape this transformation. Key drivers of efficiency improvement. 1. Technological integration. The adoption of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI), advanced air mobility (AAM), and unmanned systems is expected to play a pivotal role. Projections suggest that operational efficiency could see a boost of up to 35% in sectors like defense, maritime security, and aerospace by early 2025. The capacity for these technologies to streamline operations, enhance decision-making processes, and automate routine tasks is at the forefront of this shift. 2. Increased defense spending. Geopolitical tensions have driven global defense expenditures to surpass $2.4 trillion in 2023, with the U.S. Department of Defense requesting a budget of approximately $849.8 billion for fiscal year 2025. This budget reflects a strategic emphasis on modernizing military capabilities and enhancing defense readiness through increased investments in technology and infrastructure. 3. Talent acquisition and retention. A critical challenge across the sector is the recruitment and retention of skilled personnel. The demand for expertise in aerospace and defense is escalating, prompting organizations to leverage digital technologies to enhance traditional talent acquisition strategies. Companies are increasingly establishing apprenticeship programs and partnerships with educational institutions to cultivate a skilled workforce. 4. Supply chain resilience. The aerospace and defense sectors are grappling with supply chain challenges, including parts shortages and logistical delays. Efforts to enhance supply chain visibility and resilience are underway. With digital technologies set to play a crucial role in tracking materials, ensuring compliance among suppliers, and mitigating risks associated with supply chain disruptions. Comparative insights from sources. Two primary sources provide insights into the anticipated efficiency improvements. Source 1, a video presentation, projects a 35% efficiency boost in specific sectors by February 2025, focusing on the immediate impacts of technological advancements. Source 2, Deloitte's report, offers a broader analysis of market trends, workforce challenges, and strategic spending priorities without specifying an exact percentage increase in efficiency. Timeline of key events. 2023. Global defense expenditures exceed $2.4 trillion, reflecting heightened geopolitical tensions. October 2024, Deloitte's report indicates recovery in the aerospace and defense industry post-pandemic, with a surge in air travel demand. February 2025, projections indicate a 35% efficiency boost in operational efficiency within defense, maritime security, and aerospace sectors, driven by technological integration and increased spending. Fiscal year 2025, the U.S. DoD budget prioritizes investments in unmanned systems and advanced air mobility solutions. Challenges ahead. Despite the promising outlook, the industry faces several challenges. Talent shortages. The aerospace and defense sectors are struggling to attract and retain skilled workers, exacerbated by an aging workforce and high turnover rates. Supply chain disruptions. Ongoing parts shortages and delivery delays pose significant risks, necessitating enhanced supply chain strategies and digital oversight. Integration of technologies. While advancements in AI and automation hold potential, companies must effectively integrate these technologies into existing frameworks to realize operational efficiencies. Future outlook. In summary, the anticipated 30% improvement in efficiency within the defense intelligence and national security sectors by 2025 hinges on a combination of advanced technological integration, increased defense spending, talent development initiatives, and enhanced supply chain resilience. As the industry navigates challenges related to workforce and supply chain dynamics, the successful operationalization of these strategies will be critical for achieving the desired outcomes. This report encapsulates the expected transformative changes in the defense intelligence and national security sectors, as well as the strategic imperatives that will shape their future trajectory leading up to 2025. 1. Technological integration. The projected 30% efficiency improvement is significantly driven by the integration of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI), advanced air mobility (AAM), and unmanned systems. This reliance on technology may seem straightforward, but the counterintuitive aspect is that while these technologies promise efficiency, they often require substantial initial investment and time for implementation, potentially leading to short-term inefficiencies or disruptions during the transition period. 2. Increased defense spending. The anticipated efficiency improvement correlates with increased global defense spending, which exceeded $2.4 trillion in 2023. Counterintuitively, while one might expect that increased spending would immediately enhance efficiency, the reality is that such investments can sometimes lead to inefficiencies due to bureaucratic inertia, misallocation of resources, or the time required to realize the benefits of new technologies and systems. 3. Talent acquisition and retention. The defense sector faces significant challenges in attracting and retaining skilled labor. The counterintuitive aspect here is that despite increased spending on technology and modernization, the industry struggles to fill roles, suggesting that investment in technology does not automatically translate to an effective workforce strategy. Moreover, the aging workforce and impending retirements create a paradox where companies must simultaneously invest in high-tech solutions while also addressing fundamental workforce issues. For supply chain resilience, the report suggests a focus on supply chain resilience. Yet the industry is wrestling with ongoing challenges like parts shortages and delivery delays. The counterintuitive notion lies in the idea that increased technological visibility and tracking in supply chains might not immediately resolve these issues, as the underlying problems are often systemic and require long-term strategic changes rather than quick technological fixes. 5. Efficiency projections. Source 1 projects a 35% efficiency boost in specific sectors by early 2025, while Source 2 discusses broader trends without specific percentages. The counterintuitive element is the assumption that higher projections equate to better outcomes across all sectors. In reality, the efficiency gains may be unevenly distributed, with some sectors experiencing significant advancements while others lag behind due to various operational challenges. 6. Focus areas. While the reports emphasize technological advancements, there is an implicit assumption that all companies are equally capable of adopting these innovations. The counterintuitive reality is that smaller firms or those with less capital may struggle to keep pace with larger entities, potentially widening the gap between competitive players in the defense sector. 7. Strategic spending. The strategic spending driven by defense priorities suggests a clear path toward improvement. However, the counterintuitive aspect is that such prioritization may lead to the neglect of other vital areas like research and development for commercial applications, which could ultimately stifle innovation and adaptability in the long run. 8. Aftermarket services. The reliance on AI and digital technologies for MRO maintenance, repair, and overhaul processes suggests a move towards efficiency. However, the counterintuitive insight is that the initial implementation of such technologies may create a learning curve and temporary inefficiencies as employees adapt to new tools and processes. 9. Advanced air mobility (AAM). Although AAM technologies promise to revolutionize urban transportation, the counterintuitive aspect is that these innovations may face significant regulatory hurdles and public skepticism, which could delay widespread adoption despite the apparent advantages. 10. Supply chain visibility. while enhancing supply chain visibility is critical, the counterintuitive realization is that increased transparency does not necessarily equate to improved performance if underlying systemic issues remain unaddressed. Companies may find themselves overwhelmed with data without the means to act effectively on it. In conclusion, the anticipated efficiency improvements in the defense intelligence and national security sectors by 2025 are influenced by a complex interplay of technological advancements, increased spending, and operational challenges. The counterintuitive elements highlight that while these factors present opportunities for growth and efficiency, they also introduce new challenges and potential pitfalls that must be navigated carefully. The report on the anticipated 30% efficiency improvement across the defense intelligence and national security sectors by 2025 highlights several key areas that are often overlooked but are significant to understanding the full scope of the transformation underway. Here are some critical insights that may not receive the attention they deserve, along with explanations of their importance. 1. The role of supply chain resilience. While many discussions about efficiency improvements focus on technological advancements and increased spending, the resilience of the supply chain is a foundational element that could determine the success of these initiatives. The aerospace and defense sectors have faced ongoing challenges, including parts shortages and delivery delays. Significance: a resilient supply chain is crucial for ensuring that the technological advancements promised by AI and unmanned systems actually materialize. If the supply chain cannot keep pace with production demands, or if parts are of insufficient quality, the entire efficiency enhancement initiative could falter. Additionally, geopolitical tensions have exacerbated supply chain vulnerabilities, making it imperative for companies to enhance visibility and tracking systems. Without addressing these supply chain issues, projected efficiency gains could remain theoretical. 2. Talent acquisition and retention challenges. The report mentions the difficulties in attracting and retaining talent but does not emphasize the long-term implications of these challenges. With a significant portion of the workforce approaching retirement and the industry already experiencing higher than average turnover rates, the potential loss of institutional knowledge is a pressing concern. Significance: the industry's future depends on its ability to not only attract new talent but also to retain experienced workers. The strategies being implemented, such as digital technologies for talent acquisition and apprenticeship programs, are critical for sustaining the workforce. Companies that fail to effectively manage this transition may find themselves at a competitive disadvantage, lacking the skilled personnel necessary to implement advanced technologies and maintain operational efficiency. 3. The underestimated impact of artificial intelligence (AI). AI is frequently cited as a transformative technology, yet the report's discussion of its application in aftermarket services and predictive maintenance may not fully capture its potential. AI could revolutionize various aspects of the defense sector, from logistics to decision-making processes. Significance: the true impact of AI is often underestimated in conventional discussions. Beyond predictive maintenance, AI can assist in threat analysis, logistics optimization, and real-time data processing, significantly enhancing operational efficiency across the board. The ability to leverage AI effectively will distinguish leading companies from their competitors. Those that integrate AI deeply into their operational strategies will likely achieve far greater efficiency gains than those that merely implement it in isolated areas. 4. Strategic spending and its broader implications. While the report notes increased defense spending, it does not fully explore the implications of this trend on innovation and collaboration within the industry. The focus on unmanned systems, rocket technology, and advanced air mobility is not only about meeting immediate defense needs but also about fostering a culture of innovation. Significance: increased spending can catalyze advancements in technology and create opportunities for partnerships and collaborations across sectors. This could lead to breakthroughs that extend beyond military applications, influencing commercial sectors as well. Furthermore, Strategic investments in specific technologies may drive market demand and innovation cycles, shaping the future landscape of the aerospace and defense industries. 5. Advanced Air Mobility (AAM) and its societal impact. Although the report discusses the technical aspects of AAM, it may not adequately address its potential societal implications, including urban congestion, environmental benefits, and changes in public transportation paradigms. Significance: AAM is poised to reshape urban transportation, providing solutions to congestion and pollution. The societal acceptance of these technologies will depend on their perceived safety, environmental impact, and affordability. As urban areas continue to grapple with transportation challenges, the successful integration of AAM could have profound implications for urban planning and infrastructure development. The industry must consider these broader impacts to gain public trust and regulatory support. 6. The need for a holistic approach to industry challenges. The report outlines various challenges facing the industry, from workforce issues to supply chain disruptions. However, it does not emphasize the importance of a holistic approach that connects these challenges rather than treating them in isolation. Significance: addressing one challenge without considering its interplay with others may lead to suboptimal solutions. For instance, workforce strategies should align with supply chain management and technological investments to create a cohesive operational strategy. Companies that adopt an integrated approach can better navigate the complexities of the current environment, ensuring that improvements in one area support enhancements in others. Conclusion: the anticipated efficiency improvements in the defense, intelligence, and national security sectors are contingent upon addressing these often overlooked areas. Supply chain resilience, talent acquisition, the transformative role of AI, strategic spending, societal implications of advancements like AM, and the necessity for a holistic approach are all critical to realizing the projected gains. By focusing on these elements, industry leaders can better navigate the complexities of the current landscape and position themselves for success in an increasingly competitive environment. Ignoring these factors could undermine the very efficiencies that the sector aims to achieve by 2025. The analysis of the anticipated 30% efficiency improvement in the defense, intelligence, and national security sectors by 2025 reveals several critical points that warrant in-depth discussion. Below are the four most valuable points drawn from the content. 1. Technological integration and AI adoption. The first and foremost point is the integration of advanced technologies, particularly artificial intelligence (AI), which is projected to play a pivotal role in enhancing operational efficiency. The anticipated operational efficiency boost of 35% in specific sectors such as defense, maritime security, and aerospace underscores the transformative power of these technologies. The reports highlight several key applications of AI, including predictive maintenance, operational flight management, and capacity management. This integration is not merely about automating existing processes but revolutionizing how tasks are performed, leading to significant cost savings and improved effectiveness. The implications of AI adoption extend beyond mere efficiency. They encompass the evolution of strategic decision-making processes, enabling faster response times to emerging threats and challenges, thus reshaping operational paradigms within the defense sector. As organizations increasingly harness the power of AI, it is vital to explore the ethical considerations and potential risks associated with reliance on machine intelligence, particularly in high-stakes environments like national security. 2. Increased defense spending amid geopolitical tensions. The second key point revolves around the substantial increase in defense spending driven by escalating geopolitical tensions. With global defense expenditures surpassing $2.4 trillion in 2023 and the U.S. Department of Defense requesting a budget of approximately $849.8 billion for fiscal 2025. The financial commitment to modernizing capabilities is evident. This strategic spending is not just a reaction to current threats but also a proactive measure to ensure readiness for future challenges. This trend raises questions about resource allocation, prioritization of defense projects, and the impact on other sectors. For instance, as funding is funneled into advanced technologies and unmanned systems, what implications does this have for traditional defense capabilities? Furthermore, the analysis should consider how increased military spending influences international relations, arms races, and the broader economic landscape, including potential impacts on domestic social programs. 3. Workforce challenges and talent acquisition. The third significant point is the ongoing challenges in workforce acquisition and retention within the aerospace and defense industries. The reports indicate a pressing need for skilled professionals, with estimates suggesting that the commercial aerospace segment alone could require an additional 123,000 technicians in the coming 2 decades. The high turnover rates and aging workforce exacerbate these challenges, making it critical for organizations to innovate their talent strategies. Efforts to attract talent through partnerships with educational institutions, apprenticeship programs, and leveraging digital technologies highlight the industry's recognition of the importance of a skilled workforce. However, it is essential to critically analyze the effectiveness of these strategies and whether they can meet the rapidly evolving demands of the sector. Moreover, exploring the long-term sustainability of talent pipelines, especially in the face of technological advancements that might change job requirements, is crucial for future workforce planning. 4. Supply chain resilience and visibility. The fourth point addresses the complex supply chain dynamics within the aerospace and defense sectors, which have been significantly impacted by recent global events. Ongoing supply chain challenges, including parts shortages and delivery delays, highlight the need for enhanced visibility and resilience. The emphasis on digital technologies to track materials and ensure compliance among suppliers reflects a strategic shift toward more robust supply chain management practices. This trend necessitates a deeper exploration of the interconnectedness of global supply chains and the vulnerabilities they expose, especially in times of crisis. How can organizations build more resilient supply chains that can withstand geopolitical disruptions, natural disasters, and other unforeseen challenges? Additionally, the role of regulatory frameworks, international trade policies, and technological advancements in shaping supply chain strategies warrants thorough examination. Conclusion. In summary, the anticipated 30% efficiency improvement by 2025 in the defense, intelligence, and national security sectors is intricately linked to technological advancements, increased defense spending, workforce challenges, and supply chain resilience. Each of these points presents a unique set of implications and challenges that require comprehensive analysis and discussion to inform strategic decision-making in the industry. Addressing these areas will be crucial for ensuring that the sector not only meets its efficiency targets but also navigates the complexities of a rapidly changing global landscape. 1. The Manhattan Project 1942–1946. This was a research and development project during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. The project involved thousands of scientists and engineers, and it was marked by unprecedented collaboration and innovation. The integration of advanced technology, increased funding from the U.S. government, and strategic decision-making led to the successful creation of atomic bombs, ultimately changing the course of the war and global military strategy. 2. The Apollo Program 1961–1972. NASA's Apollo program was aimed at landing humans on the Moon and safely returning them to Earth. The program is notable for its technological advancements, including the development of the Saturn V rocket and lunar modules. The Apollo missions required significant investment and collaboration across various sectors, including aerospace and defense, and the program achieved its goal with Apollo 11 in 1969. This initiative showcased the potential for efficiency improvements through innovation and strategic spending on technology. 3. The Cold War arms race 1947–1991. This period was characterized by the intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union to develop superior military capabilities. The arms race led to significant increases in defense spending and technological advancements, including the development of intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs), nuclear submarines, and advanced reconnaissance systems. The competition drove both nations to innovate rapidly, resulting in substantial improvements in military efficiency and capability, shaping global defense strategies for decades. The anticipated 30% efficiency improvement in the defense intelligence and national security sectors by 2025 is driven by several converging trends, including technological advancements, increased defense spending, talent management, and supply chain resilience. As we look toward the future, several predictions can be made about the trajectory of these sectors. Technological advancements. 1. Artificial intelligence (AI) integration. AI is expected to play a pivotal role in transforming operational processes. By 2025, we anticipate widespread adoption of AI for predictive maintenance, resource allocation, and decision-making in defense operations. Companies will invest significantly in AI-driven tools to enhance efficiency in maintenance, repair, and overhaul MRO services. 2. Unmanned systems and advanced air mobility (AAM). The growth of unmanned systems, including drones, will continue to accelerate, with military applications expanding alongside commercial uses. As AAM develops, we foresee the introduction of electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft for both civilian and military purposes, potentially revolutionizing urban transport and logistics. 3. Digital technologies and supply chain. Enhanced visibility and resilience in supply chains will be a critical focus. By 2025, we predict increased implementation of digital tracking systems that will allow companies to monitor the flow of materials from suppliers to end users, significantly mitigating risks associated with parts shortages and delivery delays. Increased defense spending. 1. Global defense budgets. The upward trend in global defense spending, which surpassed $2.4 trillion in 2023, is expected to continue. Countries will prioritize investments in advanced technologies and systems to address emerging threats. The U.S. Department of Defense's budget request of approximately $849.8 billion for fiscal 2025 indicates a commitment to modernizing military capabilities and addressing strategic gaps. 2. Space economy growth. The burgeoning space economy will drive substantial investments in technologies related to satellite systems, hypersonic capabilities, and space exploration. By 2025, we anticipate that the defense sector will increasingly leverage commercial advancements in space technology to enhance national security. Talent management. 1. Workforce development. The aerospace and defense industries will face ongoing challenges in attracting and retaining skilled professionals. Companies will increasingly rely on digital tools to enhance recruitment and training processes, potentially increasing the number of apprenticeship programs and partnerships with educational institutions. By 2025, workforce planning will be as critical as production planning, ensuring that companies have the necessary talent to support operational demands. 2. Knowledge transfer initiatives. As the workforce ages with a significant portion nearing retirement, industries will implement initiatives to capture and transfer institutional knowledge. Companies will adopt both traditional and innovative knowledge transfer approaches, integrating technologies like extended reality for training and mentorship. Supply chain resilience. 1. Enhanced supply chain strategies. The aerospace and defense sectors will continue to face challenges related to parts shortages and delivery delays. By 2025, firms will prioritize supply chain visibility and resilience, employing digital technologies to manage supplier compliance and optimize inventory. The establishment of coalitions like the Aviation Supply Chain Integrity Coalition will help prevent unauthorized parts from entering the supply chain. 2. Geopolitical influences. Ongoing geopolitical tensions will necessitate a re-evaluation of supply chains, with companies diversifying their sourcing strategies to mitigate risks associated with international trade disruptions. As companies adapt to shifting global dynamics, we anticipate a growing focus on regional suppliers and local manufacturing. Conclusion: a transformative future. By 2025, the defense intelligence and national security sectors are poised for a transformative period characterized by operational efficiency and technological integration. The anticipated 30% efficiency improvement will not only enhance capabilities but will also redefine the strategic landscape in which these sectors operate. As organizations embrace digital transformation, invest in talent development, and strengthen supply chain resilience, they will be better equipped to navigate the complexities of an evolving global security environment. The integration of AI, unmanned systems, and advanced air mobility will play a crucial role in achieving these objectives, setting the stage for a more efficient and responsive defense ecosystem.